2:28 on Saturday, the 27th of July, 2024. 86 degrees, and we are in Providence, Rhode Island, exploring along the river here. There's a whole playlist if you didn't start at the beginning. Begins with 3 videos of the ride down here on the commuter rail. If you like, looking out the window while you ride the train, I'm going to put some music under them, and anyway, they'll be published by the time you are seeing this. So there's a playlist called Exploring Providence. So, or it might be Providence POV. I don't know. I'll match it up to whatever I did with Boston, or I'll change Boston. We'll look the other way up the river. I just love the clock towers, and it's just really pretty down here. It's a little hazy. Humidity's coming back in, and there's some Canadian wildfire smoke that might be contributing.
I guess
try to get out of people's way so they can pass. So there you see the bigger boats that won't fit here. Somebody must have Italian ice somewhere. So that looks like a nice little just seating area that you can go to. Huh. We're far enough inland that you don't see seagulls or anything here. Maybe sometime I'll rent a car and we'll go down to Newport. I mean, you can get there in public transportation, but it's not easy. And there are a bunch of mansions you can tour down there. Tomorrow, I'm taking you to Cirque du Soleil. And it says you can use pocket-sized cameras, so you will be held right up against my face. And we'll try to get it all. It's just nice out here. I know it's less exciting sometimes than walking through the city, but I might put some background music behind all these because I'm listening to Pet Shop Boys myself. This is the 195 District Park. There's a spoon playing the drums. I've never seen a spoon playing the drums. There's the Laborers International Union of North America, in case you didn't know it was headquartered here. Oh, here comes the skateboard. That's what I love, when they perform for me. That's our thumbnail for this video. That's why I like to do this, because you never know when things are gonna come up. I don't think maybe I would. I don't know if I'd stand on that little pier. Let's look back again. Alright, so the river's kind of wide here. Alright, so I am going to put you on your tripod, and I say you're because, well, it's like you're in this little thing, and kind of let you look at the river while I get up my map and see where I'm at. Maybe.
I'm doing it every year now. Just don't see.
Maybe a boat will go by. Oh, if you've ever been here, let me know in the comments, and let me know where you're from. It's one day to walk home from here. It didn't understand what I was trying to ask. All right. All right. So we are going to head back to the train station. I didn't bother looking to see when the next train is, because it'll just be the next one after we get there. They're only every couple hours on weekends, but it's a $10 unlimited pass, so it's normally like double, well, even at half price, which I get 12 something, or is it 6 for me? Yeah, it's $12.40, I think, full price, and I get it for 6 something. So it'd be $25 round trip. So 10 is good, plus I can use it tomorrow if I want to. There was a lot of trees on the train ride down here, which is on there. Let's see some of that. And shoot some beautiful fall foliage, leaf peeping, as they call it here. I'm going to peep at the leaves in Maine. Take the Downeaster from Amtrak there and back. Spend one night in the hotel right by the train station. In September, we're going to have videos from Washington, D.C. And if you'd like to help me be able to travel so I can do more stuff like that, there's information in the description. Any donations go directly into a savings account for travel, or to pay off the credit card that I use for travel. Check the map one moment, please. Okay. We walked on the other side in the previous video, kind of doing an out and back. How would you like the video, or the view? It's another word that starts with V. From that blue house on the top of the hill. Those are probably bedrooms on our top floor, maybe. We walked across this bridge earlier, but we're staying this way so we can see something a little new. Some lemonade. Can't eat too much sugar. I didn't bring insulin. Cocoa Puffs. Oreo O's. It's a cereal bar. I don't get that, but I eat cereal when I'm home. Do we want to go to Main Street? Why not? We've been by the river. Go up to Main Street. Someone's burning. It smells like marshmallows. S'mores. Don't run over me. Alright, so you get up in here, it's brown. And a lot of the student housing, it's different because of the hills. We're not going all the way up. This is Main Street, we're going to turn left. Geoff's. Geoff's? No. Started in 1973. So, see a lot of college people, even though it's summer. So this is James and Main Street, if you're following along. Looks like they have, I don't know, pick up Plant City, Compass, Escape Rhode Island. The clock tower up there again. Jewelry store. Dress store. Good Dog Antiques. Hopefully you don't see the old fat guy. See, antique store. I don't think I got you around past. Dave's Coffee. What do you think? Which one would you choose? William Street. South Main. We'll look up the hill again. I wouldn't want to drive down here in the winter with ice. Oh, hell no. Because you come down that street and then you go this way and you go in the river. Right? So it's just a lot of little shops, restaurants, cafes. 12 wine cellar and housing. Because like I said, we're in the Brown University, which used to be all women. I suppose I'll look up some information to put on here since I'm doing that now. If you like it, and if you've gotten this far, let me know in the comments. This Biotra's restaurant looks nice, but because it's bright, you can't really see inside. College Hill Eyes and Optical. Here's out towards the river where we started. Rhode Island School of Design. We passed some of their properties earlier. I waved to her. I don't know if you saw it. I should do it in front of the camera next time. Momentum Fitness. Respect. Physical therapy. Teal Studio Landscape Architecture. Fine art. I don't see any art. Looks like there's no more art. The Jolly Roger. we got here? Found. Can you see stuff? Maybe. I don't know. We should go and walk around. It looks like an interesting place, but I can't find a door to get in. So we'll just look in the window. I shouldn't mind. It's interesting. Let's go see. Hi. Do you mind if I just walk around and video some of your stuff that you got?
Actually, we asked for no photography or
Okay,
video
okay.
store.
That's why I asked. Thank you. I just thought you had some interesting things to show my YouTube channel. Well, that's a first. No sign on the door. I'm glad I asked. For more preventative implant dentistry. Well, you know, I could have maybe advertised for them, got them more business. But hey, it's their risk. Oh, there's that bad looking bagel, whatever it is. Got a CPA across the street, certified public accountants, Luminous, whatever that is, Summit Management Corporation, and we're passing the Rhode Island School of Design, another one of their buildings. There's Mark Allen. That's my brother's first name and middle name, but it's spelled wrong. Mark Allen Fine Clothes. And the Bengal Tiger. Huh. That's the first time I've ever had anybody say not to video. I don't go in many places. It just looked interesting. That Bengal tiger. I guess they're afraid that people are going to steal their ideas. That's fine. I mean, I guess they could worry about somebody like taking their design and putting on a t-shirt or something. So we don't do that. If I make any t-shirts, it'll be of my YouTube channel. Packet Street and Main Street we're still on. And this is a brown building here on the left up here. I think I dropped somebody off. It's been a long time. Steering wheel lock on this car. It's built in 1952. We'll look up. Doo-doo. I do make sound effects when I get bored. Not bored, but tired. I'm getting there. We'll kind of stop and let people pass. Take a little look back upstream. Rhode Island Attorney General. Oh, there's the building with the golden, I guess it's copper. Where copper turns green like that. Somebody exiting the parking garage. Some kind of coffee place. And grill and oyster bar. Brown School of Public Health. Now we got a much better view. And go up a little bit so you get all of it. It's the old stone bank. It's really nice, huh? 1819. I mean, I just find it amazing that they built such, I don't know any other way to put it, but glorious buildings. I mean, so, you know, no nor'easter is going to damage that building. There's a fountain. There we go. We came up and looked at this World War memorial up here. I can't remember if it's 1 or 2. It's World War II. We're not going in there again because there's only one way to get out. Dang, I'm hungry again. I had lunch. I was kind of like this so I didn't like get tired and want to take a nap while I was out here because I don't think that would be fun. There's another part of the river here. Can't remember how to get there. We also went up and read the inscriptions on the side of that money. This is about Rochambeau's. Oh, there's metal guns. Oh, isn't that interesting? I wonder what this was. Well, I think that's a good place to end this. And we'll start the next video from here. So, we're at the Providence courthouse. So until next time, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, theys and thems. Love y'all.